Hey
Guys,
guys,
we are
we're
back
back.
again with another
We
video,
are
and this
back.
time
Let's
it
go.
is Ed Sheeran with
Sapphire.
Sapphire. And this song is going very, very popular as
Yeah.
well. And this song related to one of our Indian singer, Arijit
Yeah. What
Singh.
is this thing?
So, yeah, like he's also in this song, kind of
Yeah.
collaboration vibe. So,
We are
yeah.
excited, guys. Let's go.
Yeah, so let's get going with the video.
Sapphire.
Wow, it's like,
It's a POV shot actually.
yeah. Vlogging mode, kind of.
Yeah. He's doing this vlog.
Know that carry the world on your back tonight. Woo! Let's face.
I like the vibe.
I like the. Oh my God! That was a street market in
Yeah.
India, like in India rather in West Bengal. So yeah,
West Bengal.
yeah. You pushing on me. Is it this all
Woo. Oh my goodness, how he is so good at it. I don't know
I
how.
love it. I love
Me
it. It's
too.
kind of giving really nice
Nice
vibes,
vibe.
which is positive, like the summer vibe that you
Yeah,
want.
the fresh
Like
vibe.
the fresh summer vibe that you want. You didn't know you needed this, but until they
Yeah.
dropped this, and now you know you needed
Yeah.
this. This awake.
There he is.
That's
Oh,
Arijit
Arijit
Singh. That
Singh.
this guy was Arijit Singh.
Yeah, people know.
Yeah, I
But,
guess this
yeah.
guy is Arijit
Arijit
Singh.
Singh
Yeah.
is the greatest singer.
He's a very good
in
singer
our
as well.
generation,
If you
actually.
want to check him out, you can check him out.
Yeah.
His songs are good as well.
Yeah,
Very good,
really
nice. I love him. This is
He's
how,
doing desi
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
hairstyle.
like not hairstyle but hair massage. This is
Massage.
the hair massage you get in India. Don't do it. This is the hair massage you get in India. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's
Woo!
oh. That's a yellow taxi which is which is a specialty of Kolkata to be exact. not
Why he is
India.
sitting on the ladies?
Yeah, he is
I don't
sitting on the ladies seat, bro.
yeah. Actually, he didn't recognize it.
Yeah, maybe
actually.
he
Yeah.
haven't say it because yeah, of course.
He-
And
He's
also-
so generous and polite also. That's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
he's so good.
Oh my God, this is an
We
Indian
love
bus.
you, Ed Sheeran.
This is an Indian bus. That's a auto. Okay,
Yeah.
this is an auto in
It's
India.
kind of-
It's an automobile
Yeah.
transport, public transport. You just pay some less rupees than taxis.
yeah.
Okay, and you can go one place to another. It's just more like, can I say? More mostly available and also more convenient.
Time
It's
with
like a
our people.
vlog. It's like a very fun
Yeah.
vlog, but in a music version, like music video. But yeah,
This
it's
is
so
so good.
good.
He is.
There is this guy.
This
This
guy.
guy Arijit Singh also very polite.
Yeah.
Yeah, he lives in the in I don't know which state, but he lives in
He
West
lives in
Bengal.
Murshidabad.
Yeah, Murshidabad.
Yeah.
No, yeah, I was confused about
In
that.
a
He lives
small
in Murshidabad,
village.
in a small
He's
village.
just riding his scooty
He don't,
and
he's a
so
very big singer.
com-
Okay, he's a very big
Yeah.
singer in India,
Yeah.
and you also might know him. And he don't have any bodyguards and
Yeah.
or anything. He don't live in a very big mansion or kind of thing. He's just a normal guy. He presents himself as a very normal,
normal person.
and very like easygoing, fun-loving person.
Yeah.
Just like your next door, maybe neighbors, kind
Yeah.
of, which is really nice because you don't see a lot of celebrities with this kind of lifestyle. Most celebrities do not like prefer this kind of lifestyle to be exact, but this
Yeah.
guy do. That's why I love him, kind of. So yeah. My God, wow.
One of the I think
I
best
didn't
song.
know I needed this,
Yeah,
but
one of
yeah,
the
I
best
needed
song
this.
in 2025. It surprised me because it's already sing and Ed Sheeran together.
You
and
never,
it's a-
you didn't know.
Yeah.
We didn't
Greatest
know either.
collab of all
Yeah,
time.
yeah. This is one of the best collab of all time, and also
Yeah.
I never expected. We needed a refreshing,
Yeah.
nice summer song, and this song is just that. It.
Yeah.
We didn't know we
It
needed
brings
that until it was
positivity
there.
with
Yeah.
peace and happiness, and also it brings sweet memories of
Joy.
our joy. Yeah, I have to say
I
it.
love this song.
What
It
a
will be
song.
in my playlist for a long,
Yeah.
long time. So honestly, it won't go anywhere, anywhere. Trust me when I say this. And what do you think about the song?
Yeah.
You can see the video. It is so fun to watch the video even.
Yeah.
Like it's really really fun. Do watch it, and also we will see in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos in the channel, and also do subscribe.